So good morning all of you, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve the PYQs or MCQs of the geography that is very important for the examinations. The topic was, first topic is, this is the part 1, okay. So in part 2 we will see the next topic. So this topic is universe and solar system. So the first question is, the earth receives the sun energy at the infrared end of the spectrum. The earth re-radiates the sun heat as ultraviolet energy. It's true? No. It's none. Now second question, the inexhaustible source of energy of the stars is due to which? Due to which it was possible? By the conversion of hydrogen to helium. Okay. So third, the powerful experiment that took place recently to study the Earth's condition just after the Big Bang is known as what? Large Hadron Collider. Now fourth one, which one of the following statement is correct with reference to our solar system? So what is the answer of this? So this is, the Earth is the densest of all the planets in our solar system. Now fifth one we will see, this was the statements true or false. So we move on to next question. Okay. So which of the following statements are true? Let me read this. Body waves or orbit stars and may not have be the star itself. A planet has sufficient mass for self-gravity and it's roughly spherical in shape. A planet is formed out of fragments of rock and metals leftovers in our solar systems. Pluto is smaller planet of our solar system. So all three are correct, right? Now seventh question, which one of the following statement about the structure of the sun is true? So we will read the question first. Atoms absorb and re-radiate electromagnetic energy generated in the core moving into the sun surface. The convection zone. In convection zone, we will see the consist of a low density gases stirred by the convections. As the gases warm and become less dense, they rise to the sun surface. The gases emit energy into space in the form of a visible light, ultraviolet light, and infrared radiation. So what is the answer? Only 3. So only 3 are correct. Now we will see this statement 8. I think these statements we will do later on. So we will move on to next question. So which one of the following statements about Venus are true and the moon? Or the atmosphere of a Venus is mostly CO2, making it the hottest planet of our solar system. It has a strong magnetic field and very dense atmosphere. Now we will see the next. So I hope you are able to see. It's okay, right? Now, fourth one, it spins in clockwise directions. So what is the answer of this? Only one is correct, right? So number 10, consider the following statement. Our solar system is located in the Orion arm of the Milky Way galaxy, about 2/3 of the way out from the center. Or the solar system formed from an interstellar cloud of dust and gas or nebula about 4.6 billion years ago. So answer is both 1 and 2 are correct. So we will move on to next question, that is question number 11. Black hole. Black hole is, what is black hole? You will see here a collapsed star. Now we move on to next question, that is question number 12. The different phases of a moon are caused by which? We will see that the changing angle of the earth with respect to moon. Now question number 13. Which of the following is an environmental effects of rotation of the earth? Which one? Daily of a diurnal rhythm, in day or light, or in flow path of both air? So what is the correct answer? 1, 2 and 3. Both third are correct. Now we move on to fourth or a 14th. So this 4 or 3 questions are total correct. Okay. Now 14 number we will see, which of the following is not an efficient product by the rotation of earth? So see the examples. All heavenly bodies like sun, moon and planets will change their directions. Poles have day and night of 6 months. So this answer is only 2. So 2 are correct. So question number 15, which of the following statements are correct? All meridian of a longitude are the same length, or all parallel of the longitude are the same length, or the prime meridian is the longest medium, or the equator is the longest parallel to the latitude. So which one is correct? So the correct one is only one. So now we move on to 16 number. Consider the following statement. Now we will read this one, then we will solve the another question. Okay. So till 20 we have to solve today. In part 2 we will see the landforms and the interior of the earth. Okay, so let's get started without wasting the time. The earth's rotation generates centripetal force. It is believed that the low pressure belts of the subpolar regions and the high pressure belts of the subtropical regions are created as a result of the earth's rotation. So which one is the correct? So both are correct. Now we move on to 17th question, that is, which statement describes the atmosphere of the planet correctly? Venus mostly carbon dioxide, Mercury is mostly nitrogen, Earth is mostly oxygen, or Saturn is mostly helium. So which one is correct? Only one is correct. That Earth is mostly oxygen. So in 18th question we will see, what are the two most abundant elements in nebula gas clouds in universe? Helium, nitrogen, silicon, hydrogen, or oxygen? Which one? So only two gases are present there, that is 2 and 3. So in 19th question we will see, the oxygen built up in the earth's atmosphere because which one? We see the here examples. The ocean separated from the crust, rocks weathered and released this oxygen. Algae and other organisms employed photosynthesis. Oxygen settled on earth from planet further from the sun. So which one is correct? As we know that oxygen built only due to the algae and other organisms. Now last question we will see. After that we will end our topic. So consider the following statement. When the earth comes between the moon, when the earth comes between the moon and the sun is called the solar eclipse. When the moon comes between the sun and earth is called the lunar eclipse. So which one is true? These both statements are wrong. So we will take on none. Okay. So thank you so much. I hope that you all like my video and practice this MCQ question. So this was helpful for the examination. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.